Now open the data publishing on BigQuery using Authorized lab. On that lab, okay, open in incognito mode. First, enter the data sharing username. Okay, enter correctly the data sharing username and data sharing partner password. Enter that. Click on next. Click on understood. Now go to the lab. Click on agree. Agree and continue. Wait for some time. Now go to the BigQuery in the search box. Click on search box. Now click on BigQuery. Click on done. Click that done. Now click on untitled query and wait. Okay. Now scroll a bit in the lab. Okay. Here first we need to copy paste authorized view 1. Okay, authorized A. First we need to authorized view A. Yeah, here there is a create authorized view A, right? So first copy that and paste over here. Then paste over the authorized this one B. Okay. First we need to copy paste the authorized VBA and then authorized VB. After that, execute the both. Click on run. After clicking on run, okay. Now click on save. Save with that dataset and enter the table name as authorized view A. That's it. Now go to that second one authorized view B. Save view dataset. Select the dataset demo dataset. Now click on the enter the table name as authorized view B. That's it. Click on save. Now you can see here demo under the demo dataset. Okay, we have authorized VBA and authorized VB. Now click on demo dataset and click on share. Okay, in the share, now scroll a bit. Okay, assign IAM in that. Just copy that authorized VBA. Okay, paste over here. You will get that. Click that. Add authorization. Now go back to this. Copy that. Paste over here. Just paste over here. On top of it, you can see authorized VBA. Now authorized VBA. Add authorization. Now you can see authorized VBA and authorized VB. Okay. Now you have given the permissions. Now what we need to do? We need to go for the authorized VBA. We need to give the permission, manage permission. Now in the permission, they also given a mail. Okay. Click on the add principal. Now enter that. Paste over here. Select the role. Okay. They given the BigQuery data viewer role. Select that. Search over there BigQuery data role. Select that. Now save. Now go to authorized VB. Share. Same. Manage permissions. Add principal. See. Copy this customer B IAM permission to assign the add principal. Paste over here. Now select the same role BigQuery data viewer role. Select that. Save. Now here what we need to do, we need to go to the customer A. In the customer A we need to verify that. Okay, enter the credentials of customer A. See, customer A username and password, just log in that. Okay, enter the customer A username and password, log in. Now do the same process, it's very easy. Agree and continue. Now go to BigQuery. In the search box, go to BigQuery, go to untitled query. The first untitled query, you should simply copy that in the taskbar. See, copy that command, copy that query BigQuery. Okay, for the customer A. Okay, copy that. paste over here. Now click on run. Now scroll a bit. Now you can see the table field customer A table. Now save view, save view. Now dataset, click select that customer dataset table, enter the table name which you have copied here, paste over here, paste it carefully. Now click on save. Now go back to the lab. Okay, now the same process for the, now copy this and paste over in the one more tab, open one more tab, paste over here. Now click on run. Query got completed. Now open the one more tab, not required. Now we need to log into the customer B portal. We need to log out the customer A. Now we need to log into the customer B. Copy the username and paste over here. Username and password. After copying and pasting, click on I understood. Agree and continue. Now same search. Click on the BigQuery. Go to the same untitled query. Scroll a bit. Go to customer B. Copy that query. Go to untitled query. Paste over here. Run that and scroll a bit. Copy the table, customer B table. Now click that save button, save view. Now select the dataset, customer B dataset table, enter the table name, save. Now scroll a bit, copy that, paste in one more tab, click on run. That's it. Now you can check the score. You'll get the 100 out of 100. If you have any doubts, kindly comment below. I'll reply you all. Thank you.